Hi guys, it's Nathan. This is a video on enriching technologies installed, getting email addresses and social media profiles from websites. So I think if you've watched my previous videos, you would have seen me using like Scrapebooks in order to do this. But the only problem is Scrapebooks don't have an API or support any type of automation, in fact, which made it a very manual process. And I like automating things. So I just wanted to show you a little script that is built based off of it's Airtable's API, and this is going to use a Node.js package called Puppeteer, which opens. It's basically Google Chrome. It allows you to automate Google Chrome. It's actually built by Google. Um, so yeah, and here we have just to like walk you through the code for anyone who isn't technical. Essentially, we're checking for LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and we're also checking if they have any of these scripts installed on the website, and it will return all scripts that are installed. We're also checking for emails, we're checking for phone numbers, and we're also checking if the website is actually active. So we're using this to sort of filter our data. So that is the code, and here are all the plugins that we're checking for, and I'm sort of constantly adding to this as I find like new competitors. And essentially all we're doing is this is the Airtable base it's enriching from, so we're using the Airtable API. We have 9,117 records in the queue. So I'll just show you how it functions quickly. So we're going to do node initiate, and essentially we'll see this updating. So in real time, we can see, okay, it's using Cloudflare on the website. It didn't find an email or a phone number. It's found Instagram for these guys, and it's found all these things. So you can see it's going down. You can see the script functioning every minute or so. It waits for the website to load, and then it's checking all the technologies installed on the site. So this is the queue. And then if I go into the other view, these are all of the websites that have been processed by the script, and then they're added to the Integromat automation in our second sequence. This is just displaying websites that have the website plugin get site control installed. It also shows, it's got Drift. They're using Shopify. They're using Hotjar. They're also using OptimMonster. And yeah, it's giving me all of the information on the website plugins that they have installed. And here we also have phone numbers. We have WhatsApp APIs, we have Facebook profiles, Twitter, LinkedIn companies, Instagram, and yeah, and then this is enrolled into the Integromat automation sequence, which I showed in the other video, which does like further enrichment, and then it's processed into the automated outreach campaign. So yeah, this is being enriched as I'm recording this video. Obviously, you can see these are all websites being processed in real time. So this is just an enrichment tool that I built. Like I said previously, I was using Scrapebooks, and I had to run 3 different sequences, one for checking websites, sorry, 4 different sequences, one for checking that the website is active. Then after that, I would enroll to get social media profiles. After that, I would then check for emails that are listed on the website. And after that, I would check for phone numbers listed on the website. So this is just a script that we built internally to do all of that in one. And you don't have to worry about copying and pasting anything over from Scrapebooks. It's, like I said, it's automatically updating from the Airtable API. Everything is put into the correct row based on the information that we've collected, and it's then automatically enrolled into Integromat. So very automated, and we're able to deliver like really targeted outreach just based on the data that we have. For example, in our email automation, we can say like, okay, we saw that you're using WordPress, and we saw you have get site control installed on your website. And obviously, yeah, it comes across as being sort of very targeted outreach, like we've actually done our homework on what they're doing and why we can deliver more value to them. So yeah, I've been thinking about like opening. At the moment, this is just an internal tool that I'm using, but if people have any use for this script, if you're like technical, obviously I could make it like open source if people are happy to run this and set it up on their own. Or alternatively, I was thinking about opening it up as an API. So you could just sort of send your data across to it, and everything will be done automatically. And obviously, it saves you using Scrapebox. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and yeah, if you find it interesting, just or have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll be happy to chat.